Good morning students, welcome to the second day SST class. So what is the title of the lesson? The universe and solar system. Before go to the class, let me see a small recap about the previous section. In the previous class, what are the topics we discussed? Let me see the small recap. So what is the first title? Big Bang. So what is meant by Big Bang? Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by a massive explosion is called Big Bang. These celestial bodies together are called the universe. The study of universe is called cosmology. The term cosmos is derived from the Greek word cosmos. And second one, the universe. We already know how the universe will be formed. The universe is a vast expanse of space, and then it will be made for big explosion for 15 billion years ago. After that, the universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, asteroids, natural satellites. So everything included, it's called as the universe. Next one, galaxy. We know very well we are living in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is the part of Milky Way galaxy. So Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth part. And next, solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system, and then there are 8 planets. So what are the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. First one, the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. Each member of the solar system revolves around the sun. See the first point, the sun is the center of the solar system. Second point, each members of the solar system revolves around the sun. The sun is so huge, the account for 99.8% the entire of mass of solar system. And last point, the sun is made up of extremely hot gases, hydrogen and helium. The first point, it is the center of solar system. Second one, the solar system revolves around the sun. Third point, it is very huge, 99.8% entire mass of the solar system. Fourth one, it is made up of hydrogen and helium. See the next one, the sun is the star. It is a self-luminous, so it gives light on its own. That means it produced for the own light and heat. The temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. It is the source of light and heat energy to the entire solar system. So the sun only give for the heat and light to enter the solar system. And the last point, the sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. That means very fastly, only for 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. See the first point, it is the sun is a star. Second point, it is the self-luminous. Third point, the temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. And fourth point, it produces for light and heat energy. And last point, the sunlight take for 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. Next one, planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So all the planets rotate anti-clockwise, that means west to east, except Venus and Uranus. Last point, all the planets do not move out of their path or away from the solar system. And next one, the first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars is called inner planet. And next, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune is called for the outer planet. They are also called gaseous giant. Next one, Mercury. It is the first planet in the solar system. Mercury, the nearest planet. So the Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. Its name is called Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of gods. So it is the airless and waterless planet. It has no natural satellites. So Mercury can be viewed in the morning and evening with naked eyes. See the first point, it is the smallest and closest planet. And second point, messenger to God. Third point, airless and waterless planet. Fourth point, has no natural satellites. Fifth point, it can view morning and evening time. Next, Venus. So Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is called Earth twins. Third point, it is the longest rotation period, 243 days among the planet in the solar system. So Venus only take for the long rotation period 243 days. See the first point. So the Venus has no natural satellites like Mercury. So the Mercury also does not have the natural satellite same as Venus. The Venus name is called Love and Beauty. That means Roman goddess of love and beauty. Third point, it is often visible in morning and evening time. Last point, it is frequently called as morning star and evening star. See the first point, no natural satellite. Second point, it is called as love and beauty. Third point, it is visible in the morning and evening time. And last point, frequently called as morning star or evening star. Students, now we see the today class. So today title, first we see the third planet, Earth, the living planet. So what do you know about the Earth? It is called as blue planet, water planet. We will see in detail. The third planet in the solar system, Earth, the living planet. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. So it is called blue planet or water planet because 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. So mostly covered by water. Last point, the Earth is the only planet in the solar system which is not named after any Greek or Roman deities. That means, for example, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn. So all the planets have the name of Greek god, but except Earth does not have the name of God. See the first point, it is the third planet. Second point, it is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Third point, it is called as blue planet. And fourth point, 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. And fifth point, the Earth is the only planet in the solar system which is not named after the Greek or Roman god. Next point, the Earth revolves around the Sun at the speed of about 30 km per second. So it revolves for the 30 km per second. That means very fastly it makes for revolutes. Second point, life is possible on the Earth because of the presence of land, air and water. You have the good atmosphere to live in all the human being in Earth. Last point, the only natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. See the first point, the Earth revolves around the Sun for 30 km per second. Second point, it is the possible to live in for land, air and water, have the good atmosphere. Third point, the Moon is the only satellite. Next planet, Mars, is the red color. So what is the color? Red color. To see why the Mars is called the red color. First point, Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. Second point, it is named after the Roman god of war. See the first point, it is the fourth planet from the Sun. Second point, it is the smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. It is called as Roman god of war. It appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface. That means have the iron oxide, so only Mars is called the red color. That means called red planet. And next point, it has a thin atmosphere. So Mars has two natural satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos. See the first point, have the fourth planet in the solar system and second smallest planet. It called as Roman god of war. Why have the red color means iron oxide. And next one has thin atmosphere. Next one, Jupiter, the largest planet. So the Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. First point, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is named after the king of Roman gods. It is the third brightest object in the night sky after Moon and Venus. So it is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. So it is called as gas giant planet. See the first point, it is the fifth planet from the solar system. And second point, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Second, it is called as Roman god. Next point, it is called the third brightest object after for the night sky, Moon and Venus. And then fourth point, it is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Last point, it is called as gas giant planet. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium like the sun. So you know very well, the sun also made for the hydrogen and helium like for the same of Jupiter. It has the largest number of the satellites. Io, Europa, Ganymede and Cassio are the few largest satellites of Jupiter. Next one, Saturn, the ringed planet. They have the one special quality, have the ring type planet. So remaining planet does not have the ring. Saturn, the ringed planet. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. So which is the first largest planet? You know very well, Jupiter. So second largest planet, Saturn. Third point, it is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Saturn has many rings around it. These rings are huge and are mostly made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. So Saturn has 62 natural satellites around it. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is the only satellite in the solar system. See the first point, sixth planet in the solar system, second largest planet. And next it is called as Roman god of agriculture. So Saturn has this ring around it. Next, the ring are huge or mostly made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. It has the 62 natural satellites. Uranus, the somersaulting planet. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It was first to be discovered with a telescope by the astronomer William Herschel in 1781. It appears green due to the presence of methane. It is named after the Greek god of sky. It rotates on its axis from east to west like Venus. See the first point, it is the seventh planet from the sun. It was first discovered by the telescope by the astronomer William Herschel in year 1781. It appears green color, you already know. So what is the color? Green. So green due to the presence of methane. And next one, it is the named after the Greek god of sky. See the last point. Uranus has 27 natural satellites, of which Titania is the largest. And next one, Neptune. It is the coldest planet. Neptune, the coldest planet. Neptune is the 8th and furthest planet from the sun. That means have the long distance from the sun. And next one, there are strong winds in this planet. It is named after the Roman god of seas. So Neptune has 14 natural satellites, the largest being Triton. Because of its distance from the sun, Neptune is one of the coldest planet in the solar system. See the first point, it is the 8th planet. That means have the long distance, the 8th planet in the solar system. There are the strong winds in this planet. It is called as Roman god of sea. So 14 natural satellite. And next one, because of its distance from the sun, Neptune is one of the coldest planet in the solar system. So Neptune is only the coldest planet in the solar system. The streaking blue and white. So what is the color? Blue and white. Features of Neptune help to disguise it from Uranus. Next one, the dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are small celestial bodies found beyond the Neptune. They are extremely cold and dark. So there are some dwarf planets in the solar system. So first, see the first point. Dwarf planets are the small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. They are extremely cold and dark. The 5 dwarf planets of the solar system: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake and Haumea. The moon, Earth's satellite. Satellites are celestial objects which revolves around the planet. The moon is the Earth's only satellite. The only satellite is moon. It revolves around the earth once in every 27 days and 8 hours. It takes about the same time for it to complete one rotation around its axis. That means same time will taking 27 days and 8 hours. The distance between the moon and the earth is about 3,84,400 km. See the first point. The satellites are the celestial object which revolves around the planet. And second point, the earth is the only satellite. Third point, it takes for the revolution around 27 days and 8 hours. Fourth one, to complete for one rotation and its axis is like a same time. And fifth point, the distance between the moon and the earth is 3,84,400 km. Next, asteroids. Asteroids are small solid objects that move around the sun. They are found as the belt between Mars and Jupiter. They are too small to be called as a planet because they have a very small, so only they called as planets. They are also known as planetoid or minor planets. See the first point, have the small solid object. Second one, the belt between Mars and Jupiter. Third point, has the very small. Fourth point, it is called as minor planets. And next one, comets. A comet is the celestial object made up of a head and a tail. The head of a comet consists of solid particles held together by ice, and the tail is made up of gases. See the first point, it is the celestial object. It made up of head and a tail. And second point, the head of a comet consists of the solid particles held together by ice, and the tail is made up of gases. Third point, Halley comet is the most famous comet which comes close to the earth every 76 years. So 76 years once it will be come. See the last point, it last appeared in 1986 and will next appear in 2061. And next one, meteorites and meteorites. A meteorite is a stone-like or a metallic body. When enter into the Earth's atmosphere, most of them burn. As they often appear as streaks of light in the sky, they are also known as shooting star. Meteorites which streaks the Earth's surface are called meteorites. So thank you, students.